To link the article, hover over the widget and click the chain icon. A submenu will appear. Select the second option to link the article with an internal page. An additional window will appear. Choose the page you want your article linked and click Done. The Read More button will appear. Click the third icon to link with an external URL. Paste or write the address in the marked area. To link with a document, click on the search icon. Select the first icon to remove any links. Once done, click Done and Back. To delete the article, click on the Recycle bin. To cut the article, click the Cut icon. To copy a clipboard, click on the Copy icon. If you delete your widget, you can find it in the Recycle bin. Deleted widgets are revertible. If you cut the widget, you can find it in the clipboard. As well as, if you copy the widget, the copy will appear in the clipboard.